Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be using this Weber barbecue in an offset smoker setup, which I'll show you later. Before I do that, we need to get the charcoal lit. I'm soaking oak chunks in water. I'll use these for creating some wonderful smoke. Here's my turkey leg in a brine bag. It's been in there for 24 hours. In a salt and water brine, nothing else is added. The charcoal's now ready and I'm tipping it into 1/2 of the fire grate. On go the soaked oak chunks to create our smoke. On goes the grill and the water pan, which sits over the coals and will provide a humid atmosphere for the turkey leg to smoke in. Time for the turkey leg, and it sits away from the heat on the cooler side of the grill, and this is the offset method. In goes the temperature probe and on goes the lid, and I adjust the bottom vents for a medium heat and almost close the top vent, and that's it. We'll come back to this in a short while. Off with the lid, and we're going to mop this with some barbecue sauce. I'll leave details of this in the description. Lid goes back on. And it's time to baste again. But before we do that, I'm just going to take this water off here and put a few more oak chunks onto the charcoal. This will give us a little bit more smoke. On goes the water pan and the lid goes right back on. Back off with the lid, and you can see all that lovely smoke has given this a beautiful colour. And we're going to give this another dousing with this beautiful barbecue sauce, making sure we get all of the meat on both sides. That's it, flip it over. I'm going to be licking those fingers later, making sure that we get a really nice even coating, and the lid goes right back on again. And here you can see the water has really gone down in level because it's been in for quite a while, as we give it one more mop with that barbecue sauce just to get that flavour all the way through. And we'll do the other side as well, so we'll flip it over and put the last of the barbecue sauce on. And you can see that water pan bubbling away in the background to provide a really nice humid environment for that turkey leg. And it's back on with the lid for the last time. And here we are. That is ready to come inside. Oh, look at that. I just wish you could smell it because it smells amazing. So I wrapped it up and rested it for a little while just to let it settle down. Cut it open with a knife, and you know, the flesh was a little bit tough. It probably could have done with a few extra hours wrapped and just left to go low and slow, so it became really tender. But the skin was a little bit soft. I would have liked it to have been crisper. I think what I would have done is probably seared it first before we actually started smoking it. But you can see the smoke ring on that meat. It's absolutely delicious.
Right, here we are on the table. I'm just going to take a little bite from this bit here. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, that is completely delicious.
I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and let us know what you thought in the comments section. Take care, and I'll see you soon on the next video.